Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix invite collaborator option not showing on Instagram. In this tutorial, I believe that this will work 100%. All you need to do is just to go to your Instagram account first, and then go to your profile here. Go to the three lines on the upper right corner. You go to settings. Once you're in settings, go to account, and then you go to switch to professional account. Okay, because this is the only option that collaborators have option to give an invite onto you. So just follow the step here. It's an easy step. You just click continue or next. Okay, you can choose there whatever you want, or a content creator. So right now I'm gonna choose an artist for modeling. I'm gonna click it done, and once it's done, then your account is now going to be eligible for collaboration with any types of people that you want to work with. Okay, I'm almost done here. So you just need to complete this profile right here, guys. And once you complete it, the 5 steps complete. So it's gonna be easy. It's just only clicking on next. But in my case, I'm not going to do that one because this is just only for my personal account, this Instagram. So I'm not gonna do any collaborations with everyone, but this step here is just so easy. You just need to follow the steps, click on what you need, just click next and finish. And once that is done, you can ask a collaborator to have an invite with you. So that's gonna be it. Thank you so much. I wish you have learned something in this video.